at my tea. Good morning. Hope everybody is safe and well. Now today I'm going to make a pen. Normally I make the slimline twist type pens. This one is a clicky pen and it's made by a different company. This company is called Procraft. Now I have made something from Procraft before in the past, which was the salt and pepper pot that I made, and I thought I'd give their pens a go. So I wanted to have a different style pen to what I normally do, so this clicky pen is what I'm going to do. More tea, Vicar. Now this is how it comes in a little plastic pouch. So what I've got here is that I've ordered two pens. They are the chrome tipped. They're gel pens, and I've also ordered the bushes that I need for my mandrel to make their pens. Looks like you get the instructions on how to make the pen. But not only that, Procraft have their own YouTube channel, which they show you how to put the pen together there as well, which I'll also put a link in the description below. So we just open one of these packs. So these are the bushing sets. You can order the pen and the pen kit with the bushing set for £8 something or another. Find out exactly what it is. £8.45 from their website, and they look really good quality, so looking forward to using them. And here's the kit. And before I open this pack, this package, I mean, it's only packaging, but it's not your normal packaging. It's quite thick, it's quite sturdy packaging. Now the pens I normally get, like the slimline ones, I'll just show you one of their packaging, and it's really sort of thin and flimsy. This has got some, it's quite sturdy, it's quite a thick plastic, so that's giving me good vibes already. So let's open the pack. So we got, as usual, the two tubes. We got the gel pen itself with the spring on the end. We have the tip. Oh, don't lose this insert. So this is the insert which the tip screws into, which you'll see where that goes soon. This is the divider, or the middle part of the pen. This part, I'll take it out of its plastic actually, goes here like that, with the long side pointing towards the back, and you'll see why soon when we start putting this together. Then we have the clip. This piece goes on there. That's to hold the push button on there. And then we have the push button itself, which again, quite nice, seems like good quality. It's got quite a weight to it considering the size of it. And then we've got the mechanism. So the mechanism is here. We've got, in here we have a spring and the mechanism itself. Okay, and this piece fits into this tube, which you'll see soon, and this spring, as long as I don't lose it, goes up here. Again, when we start putting this together, you'll see. I'm going to make this pen out of. Well, I've got a few things that I've chosen, but this one I ordered off of eBay. This is handmade. I think it came from Cornwall in England. And again, I'll put a link below. And if you have a look at this, this is stunning. So I'm going to make this pen for my wife, because she deserves it for putting up with me. And there we go. See how that comes out. Have a look at that. Don't know if you can see it. That. I'm so looking forward to getting this finished. Wow, look at that. Absolutely stunning. I'm over the moon with that, really am. That's beautiful. Anyway, let's get this pen together so we can see the full glory now. So we start with the top end, which is going to be this end here, and we're going to need to push this piece into the end here. But before we do that, we put the clip on there, like so, and then we put the pen in there. So that's ready to be pushed. I'm not going to push it just yet. Then we have the mechanism. So the mechanism is going to go into here. So we just drop that into there. And that push in, you just push it in with your hand. Like so. And then the joining ring will go into here. So the long end will go into here, and that will push the sleeve or the mechanism up into the tube. So again, we can do that by hand. Like so. So that's ready to be pushed together. So we start with the top piece and we push that together now. So with my Axminster pen press, we'll set this up to receive. Do one more. And then we just push this together. Like so. I need a little bit more actually. That's fine. Like that. Okay. Then we push the bottom end. So what we're going to do, we're going to line up where it meets, somewhere about there, so we can match the two ends to where they were originally was, like so. And then this piece goes in down the bottom there. So this has a thread on the inside where this threads, the tip threads into, so we can push this all the way inside. Like so. Then when this goes on, that takes up the difference. Excellent. Then what we do, we put the spring on here, and this is the clicky end, this is the top. We push that in and we screw that on. It might be easier if we put the pen inside, because it might need pressure to push it up. Apply that, push that in, screw that in. That's it. So now that's alright. So that's it. Just gets it's a little bit fiddly just to get this mechanism working. It's quite stiff. It's quite a stiff push to get that working. But wow, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So that's it. There you go. What a beautiful pen. I've got a feeling that's got to be the best pen I've made so far. I'm really chuffed with it, and I'm sure my wife is going to be as chuffed as I am. Now, in the link below, I will put where I got it from. It's from ProCraft. This is the Elliot pen kit for wood turners. The quality of the materials used in the pen kit itself is just stunning. It's so solid. It's fantastic. The pen blank, again, I got that. It's handmade. I think they make them in Cornwall. They're handmade, and I think I put a link in there from eBay. Just stunning, beautiful. The pen blank is just, oh, I've got no words. I've got no words. I will be buying more. I will tell you that now. I most definitely will be buying more until I start making them myself. That is, and wow, there you go. Stunning. I've got no words. I really haven't. I am over the moon. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just leave a little comment down below. Tell me what you think of the pen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.